Welcome to Homework Lib.
All right, I'm going to draw the vectors. There's the speed of the plane vector, and there's the wind vector for plane A. For plane B, they all have the plane speed vector that's the same. I'm going to try to draw it exactly the same on all of them. Didn't do quite as good on that last one. These are vectors. The wind for this one is in this direction, but the wind is always the same magnitude. And it's going to be this direction here. Whoops. Put a little too much of an angle on that one. Okay. So, using the parallelogram rule, this parallelogram is just a rectangle. This parallelogram is just a parallelogram, and this parallelogram is also not a rectangle. Okay, so we'll draw the vector. See how this one's longer? And see how this one's shorter. So B is going to have the greatest speed, and then A, and then C, based on length.